I left alone, my mind was blank. I needed time to think and get the memories from my mind. What did I see? Can I believe that what I saw that night was really not just fantasy? Just what I saw in my own dreams was a reflection of my warped mind staring back at me. 'Cause in my dreams it's always there, the evil face that twists my mind and leads me to despair. 666, the number of the beast. Hell and fire was spawned to be released. Well, torches blaze, sacred chants were made. And as they start to cry, their hands held to the sky. Well, in the night, the fire's burning bright. The ritual has begun, Satan's work is done. 666, the number of the beast. Hell and fire was spawned to be released. 666, the number of the beast. Sacrifice is going on tonight. Well, I'm coming back, and I will return, and I'll possess your body, and I'll make it burn. I have the fire, and I have the force. I have the power to make my evil take its course. 666, the number of the beast. Hell and fire was spawned to be released. 666, the number of the beast. Sacrifice is going on tonight. Well, I'm coming back, and I will return, and I'll possess your body, and I'll make it burn.